This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with Kontakt loaded in Logic. Make sure you've installed the O plugin and any libraries. Open Logic, create a new software instrument track, then insert Kontakt as the instrument slot. This immediately hosts Kontakt's GUI. Once done, load an instrument patch inside Kontakt so you hear audio. You want low latency. Set buffer to 128 or 256 samples in Logic's audio preferences. This reduces dropouts while keeping CPU modest and makes patch auditioning quick and reliable. Next, route MIDI and output so each Kontakt instrument is editable and mixable. Inside Kontakt, enable multi-output for each loaded instrument and assign them to different outputs. That lets you control levels in Logic. Create additional software instrument tracks in Logic. Set each track's MIDI destination to the same Kontakt instance, but choose distinct MIDI channels. Then make sure Kontakt's outputs appear in Logic's mixer. Once visible, you can insert EQ, compression, or automation per instrument for focused control across the arrangement. To finish, arm the track you want to record, confirm your MIDI controller is routed to that track, and hit record. Kontakt will capture performance as MIDI. When mixing or exporting, freeze or bounce CPU-heavy Kontakt tracks to audio to prevent overload. This preserves plugin settings while freeing CPU. If you encounter silence, step back. Ensure Kontakt's OPAST validation, check MIDI channel assignments and output mappings, and confirm Kontakt is authorized. If playback stutters, increase buffer or freeze other instruments. These fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.